Hi there, thank you so much for considering and welcome to professional course of developing professional Gantt charts with Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Project. If you are struggling in project managers, if you are struggling in project management and your action and you are something like this or acting like this, then this course is for you. There are two modules of this course. The first module is from Excel. We will be developing a Gantt chart in Excel, and then we will be discussing how to develop a Gantt chart in project management in Microsoft Project. The Excel course outline is basically this. We will be developing formatting Excel spreadsheets for dynamic Gantt chart, learning a lot of commands, conditional formatting, status, auto updating, summary tasks, adding resources, maneuvering between days and logos and each and everything with professional view, and similar kind of a thing in Microsoft Project with detailed dashboard and ribbon, resource timing, leaves, calendars, summary task, auto manual, resource type, and all to us all together the time scale and best look for highly formatted views. Enroll now and enhance your project management experience now.